Hello students of standard 6. Today we are going to learn chapter 1, the most beautiful thing, part 3. Part 3. We have seen in part 2 that mother was very busy, but the child she has to take care. Then how to control the child. So, but she had made some dough for the flour, to make the roti, chapati, and from there she used to make some rat, some bird, and give the child. Child used to enjoy. Mother was very skillful, very nice lady. Soon she used to make and give. Now her husband was calling in the shop. They had shop, and there she was called. What happened? Child, how to control? So child, she had told the story of the Chuhu. The Chuhu's whiskers were burned. See near the kerosene stove here, and the dechi here is the cooking vessel is here. The rat went, and these whiskers were burned. So mother explained how the whiskers were burned. And child asked, is the girl or boy? So mother said, it's a girl, Chuhu. So he said, okay, it's very right that at least a girl. Girl does not need whisker, he said. And he was happy, and she told him, gave some dough and told him, make the most beautiful thing you like. Child took the dough and was rolling, this side, that side, keeping on the hand, and he doesn't know what beautiful things can be. So sometime he thought he can make mothers or father. Mother is most beautiful person for him, and father also is most beautiful person for him. He was struggling. Meanwhile, father called the mother to come to the shop. He wanted black paper tin, and he did not know where it is. So mother went there, and she gave him the tin, and she came again back to the kitchen. Now let us listen in the book what it is. Ramchand was very impressed by this story about the Chuhu's story. He was so impressed that not to go to the fire. It was okay for Chuhu because she was girl mouse. So he said, for Chuhu it is burned, no problem, because she was a girl mouse. But what if he went near the kerosene stove and never grown a mustache like his father's when he grew up? So if his father had nice mustache, and if he doesn't get, he goes near the fire and he doesn't become like father, because father has mustache and his mustache will not grow, what a problem could be. Sometime his mother made a face with the lump of dough using a matchstick to make two dents for eyes. So mother used to get matchstick, make beautiful mouse or any bird, and matchstick at the end there is some blood, and that she used to poke and keep like a eyes. So with that she insert in the dough and make the eyes of the creature. When she gave him the dough and told him to make the most beautiful thing in the world, he rolled the lump round and round in his chubby finger and made thought and thought and thought. So he is telling that he made the dough he took in his chubby finger, means so soft, so small children, no. So their fingers are so small, not like us, tough and hard. So he is telling, and he is rolled and thought what to make most beautiful things. What was the most beautiful in this world? It was his mother, of course, or possibly his father. But he couldn't make them out of the dove. He could not make the father and mother out of the dove given. Besides, they were not really things. He rolled the dump piece of the dove round in his hand, thinking hard. Ramchand's father called out his wife from the shop. Please come here, he shouted to his wife as courteously as one could shout. Ramchand's parents were old fashioned. They never addressed each other by their name. Ramchand's father and mother were not the modern people, but they were olden fashioned things. Mother came, untied her. This was her anchal. Pallu was tied here. She removed and she put on the shoulder, and she came and started to work. She took the matchbox and kept on the top. And she was terrified about the stove. She was worried in the stove something happens. She had heard so many stories of children having accident. But ever since she had told him about Chuhu, he seemed to be keeping his distance. Since he had heard about the Chuhu's story, so he was away himself. She hadn't even planned it. He just had come out of the shop, finished making the perfect little mouse, and had realized it would be difficult to give to it whisker. So whisker she could not make, so she said that is burnt. She smiled and tucked the pallu. She removed the pallu of her sari from the waistband and her petticoat, spread out the pallu, adjusted it around the shoulder, and looked at her son. He was still absorbed in the piece of dove. Feeling he was safe, she went out to the shop. Apparently, her husband needed her help to look for a new tin of black pepper that he had misplaced. They found it after 10 minutes, and Ramchand's mother went back to continue with her cooking. She is telling she gave the tin and she came and continued her cooking. So, dear children, mothers are always careful. She was working. She had put her sari pallu near her waistband in the petticoat like that. She had tucked it. Okay, here when she father called, she removed the sari pallu, she rounded to her shoulder, and she went to the father and her husband, and she found the tin where she had kept. She gave to her husband, and she came back to kitchen back. Again she tucked and she started to cook. She tucked it like this and she started to cook. Dear children, we see how parents struggle for our work. They have to manage as mother, as a wife, as a daughter-in-law, and as lots of relation husband, and mother works for everyone. So dear children, you should love and respect your mother and take care of her as much as possible. Whatever way you can help, please help. And revise the lesson, read this paragraph what I taught today, and learn that. I'll send you all needed. If you have any doubt, please contact on my mobile number, but before 6 o'clock. Okay. Thank you, children. Bye.